dickhead alert.
Who's a pretty Polly? Who's a pretty Polly? Not you, Lorda.
That would be girls at my school.
Hey, you! Go fuck yourself!
You should have that going in your car.
What? Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then? What? What?
I want to hear that other one.
Polly wants a fucking cracker!
No.
Polly wants a fucking cracker! Give Polly a fucking cracker now! What?
You need to...
Hey, baby! Show us your tip!
I love that one.
What? Polly wants the blowjob! Oh, that feels good!
That
Get kid alert! Get kid alert!